How to hide hidden photos on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down to the end and tap on Apps. You can view all your phone apps over here. Now, search for or scroll down to find Photos and tap on it. You are now in the Photo Settings page where you can customize various aspects of the app, including iCloud settings, camera settings, and more. On this page, scroll down and go to the Show Hidden Album option. Now, turn off this option. The hidden album will no longer appear under Utilities in the Photos app. This way, you can enhance your privacy even further. Following these steps, you can easily hide hidden photos on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.